This is an old clip from 30 years ago where you see me flipping over backwards by simply raising my head and pressing on my fingers. I assume already to have the flexibility of my front leg hamstrings and my rear leg hip flexors. I press onto the feet to lift out of my body. And then the most important thing before reaching back to grab my foot is to lengthen the front of my body before shortening the back. So to do this, I breathe diaphragmatically from the pelvic floor up into the abdomen and chest, and I keep breathing in as I reach back. I've got the shoulders are fully open, and I'm stabilizing my shoulder by pushing my armpits forward using my latissimus and pectoralis major muscles. Then, to take my second hand off, I have to press equally on the toes to get the balance, which is quite tricky. This is not for beginners, but it's lots of fun. Really, there are much easier ways to have a good time for most people. My simple spinal movements, for example, I really recommend as a simple way of getting the exhilaration of this practice without the stress.